Hello. The problem statement we're working on is designing a feature for Make My Trip, which allows a group of friends to plan and book their vacation. The reason and idea behind the problem statement was creating a wholesome experience for a group of travel planners. Allowing a group of friends to plan their mutual vacation, having a platform where they can collaborate. It would help them bond and have a qualitative time while planning a vacation. Easily divide the expenses and transparency on expense during and post vacation trip. Saves a lot of time while discussing. Would help in having more than one decision maker, which would help in reducing the errors and jargons planning for a trip. The team consists of 5 members, that's Raina, Harsha, Dhaval, Nikita, and Sasikumar. The responsibilities each of them played were: Raina did the secondary research, journey maps, wireframes, high fidelity prototype, and presentation of the video. Harsha was involved in the primary research, user interviews, wireframes, and high fidelity prototype. Dhaval worked on the secondary research, journey maps, wireframes, high fidelity prototype. Nikita was involved in primary research, user interviews, wireframes, and documentation. Sasi Kumar was involved in secondary research, documentation, and presentation of the video. As a team, we had a time management flow in place where we split tasks, ensuring each member is equally divided with the tasks, and we used to come together and discuss and have small discussions and plan the tasks again if required any changes, and get back on our tasks. Coming to the processes which involved were: we started with the secondary research, the journey mapping, and having user interviews. Then we had empathy mapping. We redefined the research statement. Then we had a solution concept in place. Then we came across having the wireframes, and finally we came to the high fidelity prototype. And then our presentation was, then we worked on the presentation. Highlights of the research were basically we had to spend a lot of time doing the basic desk research, user research, um, collect data, collaborate with each other, taking personal interviews, and we gain insights of what exactly was the problem underlying with the travel existing products in the market. We had a few assumptions in our head what would be the problem, and then we sort of mapped along with the user problems, which helped us come to a solution that this is what we can target and give a solution in this area, which should make the travelers happy. And yeah, so the next thing, when we had a sort of solution in place, then we started working on the wireframes and the high fidelity prototype. Well, for the wireframes, once we had a few ideas in place, we used Whimsical to wireframe the whole project. So we divided into tasks, and we had few ideas on what different people would take up and start working on, and then we collaborated together, discussed on it. So Whimsical is something really helped us to get the um, initial state in place, and that's how we next continued with the high fidelity prototypes. For the UI design, we used Adobe XD, and sort of we had a clear picture of how the prototypes are going to be and what sort of color combination and all of that. So we went back to Make My Trip and pick their basic colors, and so that we could use it in the application, so that we have a same feel of the existing application, and it doesn't seem which is not relevant to the existing Make My Trip app. So we picked in the colors, and we had a prototypes, as we had a wireframe frames in place. Then we just added the colors and sort of changed and added images so that we could just beautify the whole application. For the UI design, we used Adobe XD, and we had a clear picture of how the prototypes are going to be and what sort of color combination and all of that. So we went back to Make My Trip and pick their basic colors, and so that we could use it in the application, so that we have a same feel of the existing application, and it doesn't seem which is not relevant to the existing Make My Trip app. So we picked in the colors, and we had a prototypes as had a frames in place. Then we just added the colors and changed and added images so that we could just beautify the whole application. The key takeaway and learnings of the whole project were amazing. We realized that user research and understanding the user's problem is so important before we get started to solutioning. And collaborating with the team, managing time is something a high priority, which we need to plan ahead before we even assign tasks. People's Try to understand members' strength and accordingly assign tasks so that we can have things in place on time. It's been a great learning, and really look forward to having more and more problem solving applications.